Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a full install of this the steering column, just so that you can see how fast it takes in real time for the install. I have two other previous videos, one of removing the column, one of replacing the steering angle sensor. So let's go ahead and put the steering column in. I do a little bit of explaining, like these two washers. These have to go in the back, and I'll kind of explain how you can get it started pretty easy. But let's go ahead and install it. Right. Set that down. Go ahead and stick our wires in. Feed everything, get it started. Once you get it in place, go ahead and start the first two nuts. This way you can go ahead and lower the back down and install those two washers, those spacers. This was a whole lot easier when I was younger. Before we tighten those up, we want to go ahead and install our intermediate steering shaft. If you rock it down, it'll rock right into place. Just like that. Go ahead and run our linkage, plug it in, across the top just like that. Now we can go ahead and tighten our bolts up, or excuse me, our nuts. Once we got those tight, we'll go ahead and tighten our intermediate steering shaft bolt. Go ahead and remove our column pin. Turn it down so I can get my 13mm wrench on the top. Just like that. Get that tight. Alright, let's go ahead and run our harness. Plug our BCM in, flat harness. Probably hear the car come on right when I plug this in because the ignition is on. Yeah. Go ahead and turn it off. Pull the key out so we don't have to listen to that chime. Have one more harness to install right here. Like that. All right, now that's pretty much our steering column. The only thing I got left is the metal bracket and the knee bolster. I'm gonna go ahead and do them now, and the fuse block cover. Put our 410s in. Tighten them down. We're going to go ahead and put our horseshoe clip in. All right, just like that. I'm a perfectionist. I like to have the wires exactly right, and this one wasn't sitting exactly where I wanted it to. Thought it might rub on the intermediate steering shaft, so now I got it back where it's supposed to be. Go ahead and slide that on. Put our 2 Phillips screws in at the bottom. Oh, I hear the train coming. I hope I can get this all done before it gets loud. Last piece is our fuse block cover. And you're done. It's not that bad of a job. It just took a little longer to explain it and remove it. It's pretty easy going back together with it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up, or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.